Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how you can set clock alarm in your Infinix smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to simply open your clock, click on alarm. Here you have to click on plus icon. From here you have to first select the hour you want to wake up. Then you have to select minutes like this, then choose AM or PM. Here it is repeat. If you want the alarm to repeat, then you can choose the day. Then here it is alarm sound. You can see there are lots of sound. If you want to add new, if you want to customize it, you can. Then simply click on vibrate while ringing and you have to click on tick. And friends, radio is set. You can see if you want to delete it, just long press this, click on delete, it will be deleted permanently. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.